Hello everyone, today we're talking about dropshipping, what it is and how you can start your own dropshipping business. So, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. The store never sees or handles the product. The biggest advantage of dropshipping is that it eliminates the need for a large upfront investment in inventory. You don't have to purchase products until you've already made a sale, which reduces the risk of having unsold inventory. Dropshippers make between a 20% and 30% profit from each sale, or up to $100,000 per year on average. So, how do you start a dropshipping business? Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step is to choose a niche or product line to focus on. This could be anything from pet supplies to outdoor gear. The key is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large enough customer base to support a business. Step 2. Research suppliers. Once you've chosen your niche, research suppliers who offer dropshipping services for the products you want to sell. Look for suppliers with a good reputation, competitive pricing, and a solid return policy. Step 3. Set up your online store. Next, you'll need to set up an online store to sell your products. There are several e-commerce platforms that make it easy to get started, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Step 4. Start marketing. Now that your store is set up, it's time to start marketing your products. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other channels to drive traffic to your store and make sales. That's it. With these 4 steps, you can start your own successful dropshipping business. In conclusion, dropshipping is a great way to start an e-commerce business with minimal risk and investment. By choosing a niche you're passionate about, researching suppliers, setting up an online store, and marketing your products, you can start your own dropshipping business and turn your passion into a profitable enterprise. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.